My name is Caroline Duell, and I have a 1-year-old and a 5-year-old. After my most recent baby, I felt 6 months after I had her that I still had the feeling of being pregnancy and this kind of distended abdomen. And so I found Julie Tupler's program online, and I did her 6-week program. And through that, I saw tremendous results in just feeling the integrity of my connective tissue and of my transverse muscle in the abdomen. And then after that program was over, Julie mentioned that there's a trial in Los Angeles. So I came down to this program where we did platelet regenerative therapy. What's it called? I did platelet therapy in addition to continuing the 6-week program again. And this time the results have been dramatic. So I went from having a fairly wide and fairly deep separation of the rectus abdominis muscles and the diastasis. Now what I've noticed is that it's basically closed. I have the integrity back in my abdomen. I can feel my transverse muscles, and I'm ready to get back and find my normal activity again for exercising and feel comfortable in carrying my children and caring about my daily life, because I have my abdominal muscles intact again. So it's really good stuff.